Welcome everyone to Grammar Challenge 12.2. Let's take a look at a couple of grammar notes and then get to the challenge for this lesson. Okay, first grammar note is a reduplication of an adjective. We may have seen this before from time to time, but I don't know if we ever really talked about it. Basically, it's useful kind of softening tone. It's a positive type of connotation when this happens for the most part. You'll find it happening in positive situations where you want to describe that something is good, something has benefit, or just a good kind of description of things, positive description of thif you probably wouldn't use this to describe how ugly something is or how terrible it is. But we can have, if somebody is nice and tall, you might say, 哦，他高高的. If a child is plump, you might say, 哇，他胖胖的. And that, in the context of speaking Chinese, in the context of being in China, 胖胖的 is usually going to be a good thing and not a negative thing. Another rather simple phrase that we can use in this pattern, especially useful when you're going out to eat, is the verb 来. 来 we've learned before as in terms of coming, 来 去, and going. 去 is the go part, 来 is the come, and you use this kind of a little less, I guess, a little metaphorically in terms of to bring you another, or bring on a plate of something. You can use 来 in that situation. So you might say 来一碗酸辣汤. You might say 来一杯啤酒. You might say 来一杯咖啡. So it's, bring me this kind of things. And so a lot of times you'll have these the number here and then a measure word to follow that. So 来一个 or 来一杯 or 来whatever it happens to be. 一盘, so it just kind of depends on what the measure word is for whatever it is that you're consuming in that situation. And you can use this outside of the context of a restaurant too. You can use it just to, if you needed another chair in the room, you could, tell somebody 再来一个位子, 再来一个椅子, 一把椅子. That would be fine too. And that brings us to the grammar challenge to use that 来 in order to get the beverage of your choice, and then use the reduplication of an adjective to comment on how good that beverage happens to be. Get creative with it, maybe toss in a couple of new vocabulary words and try to use those as well, and maybe a pattern from 12.1 as well. Since this lesson is so simple, you can toss in some more challenge for yourself and have fun with that, and we'll see you in class.